Hi, I'm Helen, and today I've cooked my favorite dish, that's char kway teow, which reminds me of my childhood days. This is a dish that's very close to my heart because this is a dish that's prepared by my grandmother for the whole family. So you might not know, but my grandmother was a char kway teow woman. She sells char kway teow. So in those days, people try to earn as much money as they can, so they will cook more than what they can sell. So what happens to the rest? It arrives home, and we will get that for dinner. Many people may not know that this is a heritage dish, that originally this was a dish cooked by the migrants for the migrants, you see? And you know, I mean, in all schools, in every corners of the coffee shop, food court, hawker centers, you always get this. So it's so simple, it's so humble. Okay, the next thing I want to put in is the Chinese sausage, because Chinese sausage will ooze out that kind of oil and what do they have, the wine, the Chinese wine in there. So we're going to leave it there to saute a little bit. All right, I'm going to dump in everything. Okay, fry them together. I would think that, okay, what I have developed is I have become more patient, and I really see that every day is being a new experience, actually sort of makes me grow, you know. Nothing gets old because every day is a new day.
I think for us, we demarcate our roles clearly from the get-go, from the beginning, so that when it comes to actually doing, we know what is within our area of responsibility. Yeah, so I think, yeah, and sometimes we would, before the event, we would even form chat groups to discuss things through. So yeah, we don't have issues of too many cooks spoiling the broth so far.
To say that I'm not struggling now, it's a lie. I'm still struggling because every time we have new instructor and everybody has different sets of attitude, their ways, you're all from every different walks of life. So everybody is very unique. Everybody is so different. So we need to adapt.
When I first joined, she's someone that I would be very comfortable with. Instead of she tell that you have to do this, you have to do that. Yeah, so most times she will tell you and lead you, and she's one of the mentor that I feel comfortable with. Yeah, so that's how easy for me to start off. Yeah,
I just feel that cooking is so meaningful. It's so satisfying. You feed the people enjoy your food, and that is so rewarding. I hope that food playground will be just as vibrant especially for the foreigners, and it will continue to carry its social mission to bring back stay-at-home moms.